Tukalimulio kama gayo kurusiwa ABC kumulika manebe kia magia ODM SG Edwin Sifuna oiboigole omosenata bwe county ya Nairobi nigo igatia babwatani be kia mekyo kurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii besokire na kwena na egosina kubwatoka ibirengerero byabo nemono hase batambire gose batebire buna onde bwensi okugenda mamincha na machiko yekiama goika aigwe ege susuro kolengana na machiko yekiama ekyo mulikito diponi asanya na mange.
Having deliberated on matters relating to the conduct of the Secretary General, Senator Edwin Sifuna, the NEC resolved to remove him from office with immediate effect in accordance with the party constitution and applicable laws.
Nenkwana yabwatogetu abori tukulie goro chingaki ereri tukelimo maega yekiombe kia National Executive Council kumwaka isiko oyo kabeire omurikyo monene bwe kiama kia ODM museneta bwe county ya Nairobi SG Edwin Sifuna ningobono ababwatani be kiamekyo kurworogongo rwa Gusii banyalirwe sokya na gusanga ebirengerero byabo. Usangano munyakerogo o National Broad-Based Youth Council Bifon Magare nigo erago kere getambokero gie kamati eywe ko mwaka isiko asate birenga onde wensyo kogenda mamincha na machiko ye chama nigabwenerete ko egwa egesusuro buna egwenerete.
The removal of defiant party members, specifically in this case we now talking about our former SG Bwana Senator Sifuna Edwin. And we want to congratulate the National Executive Council of the Orange Democratic Movement for their timely move to make sure that our party is fully in line with the operations of the broad-based government. The agreement which our former party leader, the late Raila Odinga, the arrangement where he left us in.
Nonyina bo ensemo yende nigo arolekana gukwanira abarai kerokende bali batali ababwatani be kiama kia ODM abo babiri bakorolekana gukwanira gusegosie mebyara okuruswa bisi kwa Senator Edwin Sifuna.
I have seen a number of Kenyans who are not members of the party, who are members of various parties, trying to advise and give their opinion on matters that really rest on the National Executive Council, that it was wrong for the SG to be removed from the party for defying the orders and the operations within the party.
Umetana bibo igo ni gatebiringane kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii ababwatani be kiama kia ODM nigo baragenderere gotinya ekiamekyo asokogenderera kulikia ababwatani abange masebinyoro nabo igo korokia ogotenena kigima kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii satebirenga nigo orogongo roiga rubwatomo deputy party leader asekemekyo oyuru mugabana bwe county ya Kisii SG Paul Simbarati engana tebirenga mbali gochigotwara mo chandonde kurwa sorogongo roiga anena sukigerera ekiamekyo.
We from the Gusii region, specifically from the Kisii and Nyamira counties, we now going to get on the road to fully mobilize members of the party to stand in the position of the party and guide the party members from the grassroots on how well they're going to be part of the national discourse ahead of the 2027 elections. From our region, we're lucky that we have both the national treasurer and the deputy party leader from this region, who I know will fully work with the remaining team to make sure that we move this country and the politics of this country to another level.
Kurega ase county ya Kisii letera na igongoro kwa Dipon Hasanya.